Hi, welcome to this video series on using IBM Spectrum Protect for ERP and IBM Spectrum Copy Data Management together to protect and more rapidly restore and recover SAP Hana. By using these two together, you're able to rapidly restore the snapshot from Copy Data Management, and then on top of that, apply the redo logs that the Spectrum Protect for ERP has backed up. And so this gives you a more rapid way to restore your SAP HANA database and more restore points to choose from. I'm going to be going through these 5 videos, and these 5 videos generally follow the tech doc, which is listed here at the bottom. This video is going to cover taking snapshot backups using the Copy Data Management. From within the Copy Data Management user interface, the first thing we must do is define a service level agreement to specify where and how long to keep the snapshots. So if you go into Configure and then click on SLA Policies, click on New, choose IBM Spectrum Virtualize or SVC. Okay, you'll go ahead and give it a name. You'll want to specify the frequency. Here we've chosen daily. You'll then want to click on source and choose to add a flash copy to that source. Choose 5 days as the length of time you want to keep the snapshots for. Go ahead and click create. Okay, now we need to associate that service level agreement with a specific job. So if you go into the jobs, and then you're going to choose Databases, SAP HANA. You're going to choose New and choose Backup. You'll choose this service level agreement that we just created. You'll go ahead and give this job a name. Go ahead and select the SAP HANA resource you want to protect, and then create the job. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and kick it off immediately by selecting the job and then clicking Start. Go ahead and say OK. You'll see down in the left-hand corner that the job has started. And so if we click on that, you'll be able to see the progress of this job. CDM is preparing to do a snapshot of the data volume. And first it communicates with SAP HANA to see what file spaces are in use. It's then going to map the file systems to volumes, and it's going to figure out on the storage subsystem that they're located on. Then, if that storage subsystem is also defined within CDM, then they can go ahead and perform a hardware snapshot. The different type of storage subsystems offer different type of copy methodologies. So in our case, the SAP HANA and the IBM Spectrum Virtualize, we can utilize all the different types of copy methodologies supported by the SVC. This on-demand full snapshot has completed. Now we'll create an SLA for an incremental backup. Click on Configure, New, Spectrum Virtualize, and then underneath the source, add flash copy. First, we're going to name this Incremental Flash Copy. And then if you expand the first twisty underneath the target flash copy storage pool, we'll go ahead and use the original. Underneath the second tab, if you expand it under incremental flash copy storage pool, here we need to enable incremental flash copy. Now once we have flash copy volumes, the next flash copy operation will copy only the blocks that have changed since the last copy operation. Set the frequency to 5 days. We're going to go ahead and make sure the name here also reflects the incremental flash copy, and we'll go ahead and create that. So let's create a new job. Click on Jobs, click on the SLA that we just created, click New, Backup, enter a name for this job. We'll call it Incremental Flash Copy. Go ahead and choose that SLA and choose the resource for the SAP HANA, and then go ahead and click on Create Job. Now you'll see that we have 2 jobs out there. One is a incremental and one is a full. Notice that there's no next runtime associated with these two new jobs. And so in order to create a schedule, you'll want to select the job, click on Edit, and then under the schedule time, you'll choose to enable scheduling. And for this one, we'll go ahead and set it up to run on a daily basis at 11 p.m. And then go ahead and create that job. We'll do the same thing for the incremental flash copy job. So go ahead and click it, click Edit. Choose to set up a schedule time, so edit the schedule time, enable the schedule. And for this one, we'll run the incremental every day at noon. Go ahead and create that job. And so now on the jobs page, you'll see that both of those are scheduled to run at the times that we requested. So in summary, I've shown you how to use copy data management to create a snapshot of the SAP Hana database. I've shown you how to do this both as an on-demand snapshot and to run it as a scheduled snapshot, both for full or incremental snapshots. So be sure to check out the rest of the videos in this series. Thank you very much.